Binabantay niyo ba yung tinatawag na chartered planes, yung mga private planes na pumapasok sa bansa? Kasi I know for a fact, in fact, I've been saying this all along, many times already, na wala silang processing center. Unlike sa mga regular commercial passengers na dadaan ka sa immigration, pipila ka, maraming katanungan and all, pati yung bagahe mo dadaan sa x-ray bago pumunta sa carousel, kukunin mo. Pero pag sumakay ka ng private plane, chartered plane, iba-bypass mo lahat yun. Hindi ka, ang mismong taga-customs and immigration pupunta mismo sa loob ng aeroplano mo or doon sa hangar para doon ka i-process yung dokumento mo and then wala na inspection sa mga gamit. Ito ba yung namomonitor nyo, NBI, sir?
Thank you, good Senator. Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the good Senator, I cannot competently answer on that as that is not within the mandate of the NBI. However, we try to do backtracking once there is already an arrest, and it's only while it's already late in the day, medyo huli na, that's the only time we would know na medyo may lapses. But again, it's not within the competence of the NBI, Your Honors, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
So maybe yung NICA, National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, are you guys monitoring itong, minomonitor nyo ba yung lahat ng mga chartered plane coming from China or any other countries for that matter, na lahat ng pumapasok dito, monitor sila? Kasi, again, sinabi ko na kanina, hindi na sila pumipila sa immigration. Yung immigration mismo, punta sa kanila, daladalang cellphone para i-check doon sa center kung valid ba itong passport, and then ganun na, wala na interview, nothing. And then yung mga gamit nila, hindi na inspection. Pwede sila magdala ng granada, pwede sila magdala ng M203. I'm just being sarcastic because nobody inspects their luggage. I know that for a fact. Diba dapat ito yung mga minomonitor nyo? I've been saying this all along. Sabi sa, nangako sa akin si RSA, kasi silang nagmamalis nga sa NAIA, na maglalagay sila ng isang building doon na para ipoprocess nga ito mga passengers from chartered plane. Pero up to now, it is not being done. So if it's just being done for whatever reason, siguro dyan papasok yung NICA, Immigration, NBI, i-monitor nyo lahat ng pumapasok ng mga foreign nationals using chartered plane because dyan pwede makalusot yung mga spy, pwede sila magdala ng mga gadget nila, what have you.
We submit our report na lang po on the matter.
Why not say it now? You want executive session for this?
Yes, sir. We would request for an executive session.
Pero minomonitor nyo.
We do,
Kasi
Mr.
pwede
Chair.
magamit ito eh.
We do, Mr. Chair. I'm sorry, we do, the good Senator, sir.
And then minomonitor nyo ba yung mga vlogger, influencer sa social media na ginagamit ng China para siraan yung Pilipinas, para influence yung pag-iisip ng mga Pilipino at papabor sa China at magagalit sa gobyerno natin? You guys are monitoring them? Marami sa kanila sa TikTok, marami sa kanila sa Facebook.
Yes, Your Honor. We also have monitoring on these bloggers and those who post comments that is not in the interest of the Philippines. And we can also discuss that in an executive session, Mr. Chair.